Hola beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. In today's haul, I have pieces from Fashion Nova and a couple of pieces from Shein. Both of them are online sites. I'm sure everyone has heard of Shein, and we all know everyone knows who Fashion Nova is. Before I get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like, leave me a comment, and of course, don't forget to share it. Now let's get into the video. I am going to group as many as I can together to keep it from being a long drawn out haul. So I am beginning with this top. It's really a bodysuit. Let me step back. In these distressed wide leg bell bottom jeans. It opens up here. I don't have on heels today, but they look really cute with heels on. And they don't have any belt loop. This is the back. Confession, I actually had ordered these a while ago, and when I ordered them, they were extremely long. So I did have them cut to fit my height with a pair of heels on. It's amazing how everything comes full circle. Flare legs, bell-bottom jeans were back in the 70s, in another decade, and it has just come full circle back around. And we are now rocking flare leg, bell-bottom jeans all over again. But I'm here for it. They are really cute. I really like these. The fit is great. They are stretch. Stretch is your best friend. I know it's mine. The bodysuit has great stretch. It is almost like a thong-like bodysuit. So just in case you want to wear it with those jeans or those pants and you don't want to have any panty lines showing, this bodysuit is perfect. It says, breathe it all in and love it all out. Next up is this really cute sweatshirt. Booked, busy, and unbothered, honey. Okay. We are all here for the cute little sayings on the t-shirts. Now, I know we're going into the summertime. It's spring now, but I just could not pass up this really cute sweatshirt. It's a plain black sweatshirt, but this saying right here, if you're an entrepreneur, you want to be booked and busy, and then you definitely want to be totally unbothered by society and everything that's going on out there, everything that's going on social media, because everyone always has something to say. So you kind of want to be unbothered, but at the same time, you don't want to be totally unbothered because things happen in life and it happens around you and you have to be in the know. But overall, booked, busy, and unbothered, honey.
Okay,
my next t-shirt, I saw this and I had to have it. It has the face of one of my all-time favorite rappers and from one of my all-time favorite movies that came out the summer I was going into my senior year of high school. It starred my all-time favorite. I'm a Beyonce lover, Beyonce fan, but before Beyonce, there was Janet Jackson. That was my girl. That was my favorite artist. And this movie starred her. So let me just step back and let y'all see.
Poetic Justice.
When I saw this t-shirt, y'all, I had to have it. Poetic Justice, Lucky. I know y'all remember that for all of my seasoned beauties out there. This is my favorite, y'all. I mean, of all time. And for the sake of what I'm doing, I didn't want to take the time and show y'all both. That particular shirt contains like different facts, has Lucky on it, it has different sayings that he said in the movie, all of that good stuff. But when I saw both of these shirts, I didn't just want them, y'all, I had to have them. Dress it up, you could dress it down, do whatever you want. Just have fun because, I mean, it's Tupac.
I get around. Still clown when the under.
These next two pieces are a combination. The top is from Shein and the pants are from Fashion Nova. Let me step back so you can get a good look at the two. Now keep in mind, I am wearing flats, but these are the perfect wide leg pant if you are wearing heels. This is the back. This belt comes apart. Confession, once again, this top actually came as a long sleeve. I took it to the seamstress and I didn't like the way it was, and since it was bail, I knew it would kind of flare out a little bit, so I asked her if she could shorten it. She shortened it and I love my top. This is it. Next up are these wide leg pants. They are very, very comfortable, really cute. They are extremely long, even with heels on. So I definitely will have to get these cut and hemmed, but they are so cute. And they are high waist. I am stepping all over these pants. And these are from Fashion Nova. Let me just show you this top. I will not put it on because this top is all white and I don't want to mess it up before I wear it. It has the puff sleeve, and this is the bottom of the sleeve. It falls like right at the waist. Really, really cute. Another Fashion Nova find. Last but never least is this jumper. It's the simple plain pant jumper from Shein. Now, this jumper did not come like this, okay? This jumper actually came like this. I love the cape sleeve, but I didn't have no idea where I would wear it to, but it came in, oh my gosh, it was just not cute. And my family asked me, where are you wearing it to? I already knew that it wasn't really cute, but when I got that question from them, it was like, okay, I have to do something. So I took it to my seamstress. Shout out to Tailors by Jenny. Took it to her and I asked her, can you please cut these sleeves off? I mean, it's just a simple plain green jumper that you could do a whole lot with. We'll save that for another video another time. This will conclude this Fashion Nova / Shein try on haul. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that like button. And remember to share this video. I will catch each of you in the next one. Until then, stay popping, YouTube.